Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. um, Today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show you guys today, finally is the day that I'm going to install the amplifier and subwoofer in my Honda Accord. So let me show you. I'm gonna unbox the amplifier and show you what I have got with it, and show you all the equipments and everything, and then I will show you the converter I'm gonna use to convert the RCA, convert the speaker line into the RCA, so I can connect with the amp. So all the process I'm gonna show you in this video. Let me just unbox the amplifier and show you what I have got with it. Okay, so this is the amplifier that I got. It is from Rockwell. It's 10-inch speaker. So let me just open it. So the first thing, we got this is the amp, and let me show you. And it's come with the bass knob that you can connect with this and increase the bass also. This is the user manual of it, and this is the amp. As you can see, very nice device, and fuse is already there. This is the speaker wires. This is the 12-volt battery, and this is the ground wire, and this is also power wire that I'm going to connect with I will find the fuse of the lighter fuse, and I'm gonna connect this one with it, or I'm gonna just install probably the switch between that, so the amp will not stay on all the time because it's gonna drain the battery. So I'm gonna just put the switch between that, so whenever I need it I can turn it on and turn it off. And this is the knob that come with it. I'm not sure about this cable. I think it's a high input. It's a high input for the high input speaker. I'm not sure, but this is the amp. To increase the bass, I'm gonna install this one because this is gonna be pretty easy. And this is its cable. It's pretty long as well, so hopefully it will reach from trunk to the front easily. Okay, so right now I'm just putting in it, and I will take to the car. So let me just, okay, so these are the cables that come with it. This is the power wire that I'm going to connect with probably with 12-volt fuse. I will try to find the fuse for the lighter because I'm not going to open the tape, the factory stereo, and connect with that because it's a new car, so I don't want to risk anything. And this is the fuse that's come with it. This is the ground cable, and this is all the cables, switches that goes with this power cable that I'm going to put through under the front fender, because I'll try to see if I can put from the front wall. If I see anything there from where it is easy, I'm just gonna try to do that. So this all components come with it, and it's almost cost me like $167 for all this component. Let me show you the speaker, the woofer itself. And the weather is pretty hot too outside, so let's see how long it's gonna take me to do that. It's not coming out. There we go. Okay, let me just remove the box. As you guys can see, this is the 10-inch amp. Let me just show you guys from a little bit closer so you guys have better idea. Okay, so check this out. This is like the 10-inch speaker. This is the subwoofer of Rockwell, as you can see, and it has the cable connection right here. So let me just go to the car and show you the converter, and then I will start the process. Okay guys, so let me show you what you guys need. You need probably electric tape, this round head screwdriver, this wire cutter, some plier so you can connect the wire with the connectors. I think that will be all. Hopefully I can do the job done with this. So let me show you, I think one more thing I probably need it. Okay guys, so everything is here, whatever I need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this connector first and connect the speaker inputs right here. As you can see, I'm gonna use this positives and negatives and connect them right here. For both speakers, the wire is gonna go here, and the power wires, it is the same connection like the amp. So I will connect with the amplifier first and then take the wire from there and connect it with this, and this is where the RCA cable goes. So from here it's gonna go to the amplifier. So let's just start the process. Let me just go underneath and show you guys from where I can connect the speaker wires. So this is a speaker wire. So it's actually quite hard to do it like with the one hand, but I will try to do my best if I can just cut all those wires and use them. So okay, so I'm gonna just put my camera on the stand. Hopefully you guys can see the video properly, because now the problem is it's just hard to do alone. So I'm gonna just put the camera right here, reduce the length of it, in the trunk, and see how can I connect the wires here. So this is positive, this is positive. They both said positive. Let me just remove the connector and see if I can. I need to remove the connector so I can see which one is positive and which one is negative. There we go. So the whole thing is saying positive, which is, for me, it does not make sense. So I think the blue one gonna be positive, and let me just open this as well. I have no idea how it's gonna go, but I'll try my best. So as if now I'm just considering the blue one as a the blue one is positive. Now the question is how this gonna be, how I can use this and open those connections. So what you guys need to do, you need to try to be careful with that, because the both the wires are together, so make sure if you're gonna cut them one by one, not to cut them the whole thing accidentally. For some reason it's not even cutting it, because the wire that I'm trying to cut is very small. I guess I should just use the blade. Okay, this works. So let me check the video again if it's working, because I don't want to keep working here and when I see there is no video. Okay, it's still on. Okay, so the question is, so I'll just do the red side. The red side should go to the positive. Okay, so before I move forward, I will make sure that the connections are working, then I will close them. So these two are separate. I'm not sure how it's gonna work because there is two cable. Plus in the speaker I cannot say which one is negative and which one is positive. So I think I'll just go with the one wire. I should have used the one only. The other one I'm just gonna tape it up so it won't touch the the one I already connected. Okay, let me check the video again. Okay, the video about to be paused, so let me just make another part. Just make sure the wires does not touch each other before you test this out. I'm just gonna connect them and leave them here, and I think this long should be enough. Okay, cut the wire. This is the must tool, guys, that you should have. Without that, it's gonna be too hard to do that everything. Okay, so one side is done, so I'm gonna just go and do other side the same thing. So some reason the wire looks different to the other side. The color is different, it's yellow and black, and this size was white and blue. Okay, as you can see, guys, that's not easy to do. This thing is pretty hard. I'll try to do a little bit different here. I'll just try to insert those wires directly into the, let me just change the angle a little bit, like here. Just try to insert directly into this plug and then try to close it. Hopefully it will work. Let me see. And you have to make sure that you can close this, the top one. Okay, no, I don't think so this will work. So I'll just put this in the front, I guess, and this should be enough. Let me get the little bit longer, because if I can do that way, it will be much easier. So the red side goes to the yellow, and the clear one will go to the black side. Hopefully it's not the opposite way, because if it is, it might burn the speaker. The thing is, now the wire is a little bit thick, so make sure you just roll it tight so it could stay inside. Right there, and right there. Let's just hope it connects. Okay. Okay guys, so let's connect those with this. So first this side, speaker input left, so you probably need this one, or maybe I need more. Now it will work perfect. So first thing, positive. So that's gonna be left positive, and then left negative. So make sure the connection is like very tight, nice and steady, so there is no play in it. So before I make the installation, like run through the power cable from inside, I'm just gonna pop up the hood and try to connect the power wire with it, and check the connection first before I move forward with it. So the positive, right positive, there we go. Now the right negative, have to be careful with this. This should not be wrong. If it's wrong, it might burn the converter. Okay, so this connection has been done. So what else do we need? Now what we need is we need a power wire that's gonna connect with the amp that I'm just gonna get directly from the battery, and one more thing we need ground wire. So what I'm thinking is where to put the ground. Let me see if I can see something underneath it, like where I can put the ground wire. Like there is a lot of places to put screws, but I have to use the what is called to remove the pant so it can use the ground wire properly. Okay, let me get the pant remover thing. I can remove the pant, and then I think I'll just use like this metal around the speaker. This should be the perfect ground, I guess. There should not be an issue with it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this to remove the pant so we can get the ground wire. Let me just prepare the ground wire, which is like quite thick, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. So it's gonna be hard to do with this. Okay, so actually I forgot to get the blade, so I'm just gonna use this. Hopefully it won't break. Okay, so it looks like the rubber on top of it is like very soft, but it did broke some wire, but it's still out of it, so I guess it's fine. Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna work properly. Because I don't see any bare metal here where I can use it. I don't want to drill any hole in it because there is already a lot of them. Okay, let's just see how it's gonna work. It's not like super nice ground, but I just want to make sure to test first before I move forward. Okay, so let me just run the power cable. Looks quite short in my opinion. Hopefully it will reach in the back of the trunk. Yeah, it looks short. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this wire as well. And let me do the other side. So actually the whole process that I'm doing, I did not disconnect the battery. So I know I should be doing that, but I did not because it's a hybrid. So with this thing, if I remove that, I have to relearn the idling process, which I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So that's why I did not remove the, the negative cable from the battery, because I don't know how I'm gonna do the idling process, because with the hybrid is every time you're gonna remove the battery terminal, it will ask you to do the re-idling. So that's the issue. That's why I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna try to open this a little bit. So I could take the plastic wire inside also, but it's not going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just close this one. That's quite hard. It's not even okay. Hopefully it won't get removed. So okay, I'm gonna connect this with the battery first. I'm gonna connect this with here, with the amp. Hopefully I won't mess up anything. And let's connect the ground as well. So guys, this is just temporary. I'm gonna just test first if I'm doing everything right. And now see, this is a power wire. I have to give power to this position as well, so it can turn on. So first I'm gonna just connect this with the battery to see if it turns on. And I need this power wire to connect this with the subwoofer. So I don't see any negative positive in this one, so I'm just gonna go do the try to remember it, like which side you did which one. And that should be good enough. Okay. The speaker wire is being connected with the amp. Hopefully the audio quality is good. Okay, so one more third guys, let me connect this. So the wire is a little bit small. It does not look like it turned on. Oh yeah, it will not turn on because I need power to give power from here also. Let me just connect the RCA cable and see how it goes, if the speaker is working or not. So the black goes to the output, right and left, I'm not even sure. Right, left. Bass output, man output. So the left and right. Let's see if I'm gonna turn on the car and see if the music gonna go to the speaker. Oh no, I actually forgot one thing. I did not give power to this baby right here, so it's not even on. Okay, now looks like I need more cable. So the ground, 12 volt, remote in, remote out. I'm not sure what this is about, the remote in, remote out, but I know about the 12 volt and the ground. Let me get a little bit of speaker wire. I'm not gonna open this one because I don't really need to open this. I have plenty of cables. So let me just get back. Okay guys, so I got this cable. As you can see, it's a speaker cable. Okay, let me just put this blue to the 12 volt. Damn, this thing is already super hot. I don't know why, but I feel like it's gonna just burn out. It's way too hot than I expected. I have no idea why. Damn. I don't see any like wrong cable. I put it. Everything is right on where it belongs. Don't know why it's getting hot, but maybe getting the power directly from the battery, that's why. But it should not, because it needs 12 volt anyway. Okay, so the blue one is positive, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn on, or even it's on or not. I'm not sure at all. I don't think so it's on, but I'm not sure about the remote wire. I think it's the middle one that is should go with the remote in, what I think. Okay, so I think I need more cable. I'm gonna just, but this thing is too hot. I don't understand this. It's gonna burn out. So I need more cable. I'm gonna just cut this from the front. Okay, let me put this in the remote wire. I'm just gonna put those two wires in one hole. Okay, where does the other one go? And this one. Okay guys, as you can see, it's on now, but I highly debate about this one, if it's on or not, because if I turn this on, it's getting way too hot. than I expected. Let me just see. Okay guys, so I have a bad news. Actually I just burned this one. It's brand new, and why did it burn out? I think I connect two power wires direct from the battery, which I'm not supposed to do that, and that's why I think it's get hot and it burned out. And the second thing, maybe I should change the fuse and check. Maybe it's working. Let's see. I have this one, which is Rampage 240 watt. Let me check if I burn the fuse. It should burn the fuse first, but I don't know. It just did not seem like. Come on. Damn. Let's see. Oh shit. And I burned another fuse. So let me just disconnect those wires, the power wires, and let me get another fuse, and then I'm gonna try to turn it on. Hopefully I have in this stock. Okay guys, so I do find two of them. Hopefully they will work, and hopefully it's not burned out. Let's just pray I did not burn this out, because it's brand new and I never get to use it. The main thing is I never get to use it. So let's just pray and hope I did not burn this out. And if I did, I am so disappointed, because all that progress is for nothing. It's okay. So I think I'm missing one thing, the third wire. So where is the third wire that I'm supposed to use here? Everything seems connected. Yeah, I need a power wire for this one. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. See, I was thinking that there is something that I'm missing. Let me just do this. This both go together, and then I will insert this separately. Nope. So it's not turning on, but this thing is on, which means the power is good, but it's not turning on. I guess I have to remove this from here. Well, this is unfortunate that I did a mistake and I burned it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one. Let me see, 12 volt, and this thing is very small. I don't know how I'm gonna connect this power because the wire is very thick. Maybe I should just reduce the wires and so I can connect it properly. So I can connect this thing with this. This all that I'm doing is just to test first before I move forward. That's the purpose of doing this, all that stuff. And I need to connect this one right here. As you can see, it turned on again. Okay, I need to remove a ground remote wire from it. Let's see, a remote wire. And now it's time to remove the ground wire. See, the ground wire is also like thick, so I have to, I think, cut it out a little bit so it can work properly. So I'm just gonna see, this is the issue. So when the wire is so thick, cannot even like use it because the hook of amplifier is like very small. Okay. But this does not seem like turned on. Ground had been connected on the right spot. This is also connecting. Okay, now I know why it did not turn on. I guess I have to remove the ground. It did not turn on because I removed the fuse. There is no fuse in it. Look at this thing now. The fuse also broken. Hopefully it will come out. Okay guys, mission successful. Looks like it's working. But I need to check the base. Yeah, I think it's working perfectly. Okay guys, so I have a bad news. While actually I was installing the amplifier and subwoofer, I messed up. I think that's the lesson for everybody who's gonna watch my video and know that this could happen as well. Because so when I was giving the connection from the battery, the amp was not turning on. So I put another connection from the battery also in the middle circuit, which was supposed to be the remote control, that you put remote connection there. That's also the 12 volt, but what it did is it first it burned out the fuse, which was 30 watt fuse, and then I did not have another one which is 30 watt, but I did not notice that it's a 30 watt fuse, and I put 20 watt fuse. I connected again, it burned again, and then I put 10 watt fuse, it burned again, and later I noticed that it's supposed to be 30 watt, but I not supposed to give connection, two connections from the battery. I supposed to give uh, one connection only and take from there to the remote line, and I accidentally did two connection from battery, and then what happened is the fuse was already burned and it burned out the amplifier. So it was 1000 watt amplifier and I burned it. It's my time, like maybe like 1 hour, try to figure out. But I went to AutoZone, I bought the 30 watt fuse again, the whole box, with the hope that the amplifier is not burned. Hopefully it's the fuse that's burned, but I put the fuse on, I gave the connection, but it did not turn on at all. So I messed up there. So if anybody knows in Columbus who repair or fix the amplifier, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do. And I'm probably not gonna install now. Maybe, I'm not sure, because I just messed up with the 1000 watt amp, and I don't want to take, it's a brand new car and I don't want to mess up any wiring. Also I might not install, I might install, but if I install again I might just get a higher professional to do that. I was just trying to do by myself, so I can make the video, but it did not work. So lesson learned. Hopefully I can do better in the next attempt. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like my video and learn something. Hope it's helped you guys to understand. If you don't know much about it, then you should not do it by yourself. I did not know much about it also. I tried to learn from YouTube and I messed up. So you should not mess up now, because you know what could happen. So I just burned out. It's a brand new, it was brand new amplifier which I bought from Amazon. It was like a Rockwell 10-inch with the 10-inch subwoofer and amp, 1000 amplifier. So I pay for the like $167 for it, and it's been 1 month it's with me and I never get to use it. So finally when I decided to install it, I messed up, so it burned out. So let's see if I could get it fixed, and I'll make another video to install it. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you guys like my video, and like and subscribe. Take care. Peace.